So I received this solar motion sensor light in exchange for a review, but all of these thoughts are my own. Opening up, you see you got some hardware to install them. This is about how big they are. You can hold it in your hand, and yet it is quite large, quite substantial. It says that each one has a 1200 milliamp battery. Charges up with that solar panel right there. And there's the light on it. They're not too heavy, pretty lightweight. Should go up just about anywhere. You can see at the top there, that's where you screw it in. Just takes 2 screws per solar panel. In the box came with 4 and also instructions. It says you can actually turn it on and off by using a small needle and putting it in that hole there next to the sensor. That's right there. And you should hear a click when it turns on or off. Really simple to mount. Just follow those instructions. It says it takes about 8 hours to charge up the first time. And if it's on, it'll light up automatically. So let's test it out and see how well it works. So I wanted to install it above the door of this shed. It gets really dark over here and it's really hard to see at nighttime. And we have some things in there that would need to get in and out at nighttime sometimes. So this is the perfect spot. Really easy to install, a couple screws. I had the solar light facing out so that it catches the sun pretty easily. And then to turn it on, you just use this needle, poke it in that little hole right there. You hear a little click. And then I wanted to test it real quick, so I just put my hand over it and it definitely lights up. So I just need to come back at nighttime and see how bright it gets. It is a motion sensor, so you just walk in front of it and it should work. Now it's nighttime. Here we are. Oh, turns on bright. Perfect. So it definitely senses the motion. Definitely works pretty well.
There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.